Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, Vinny the Handyman. Today we're going to be installing a TV mount. Okay, so we got actually two TV mounts that we're going to be installing. One is going to be for this nice gym that we did. All right, still coming together. We're going to be putting some mirrors back here. So anyhow, the homeowner wants a TV right there. So we have a 40-inch flat screen TV we're going to be installing. This is a Members Mark tilt wall mount. So these are pretty simple. We'll be installing this today on some lag bolts, and we're going to be using our stud finder to find the studs in the wall. Okay, so we got that today, and then we're going to be installing another one, same wall mount, but it's going to go right there. And I believe this is going to be for a 60-inch TV. And then we're going to have a little fireplace down below. So if you've been following this channel, you've been seeing this basement all over the place. So I've been trying to do little small jobs on film to help you guys along. I've had videos on door trims, the flooring over here, installing the cabinets, still waiting on quartz, but other than that, it's looking beautiful. So, all right, so let's get back to why you're here. We're here to put this wall mount up. So let's dive into the box and see what we got. So it looks like these go from 32 to 90. That's a pretty good range of TVs, if you ask me. Okay, so it looks like we got a little template here. These templates are nice because it allows you where to put your lag bolts, okay? But first we gotta find our studs in the wall, and then we'll put this up. Probably right there, actually. So we'll go above the outlet. That way, when the TV pops out, you can get your hand underneath to plug it in, okay? So keep that in mind. Most TV mounts, this can go in between the two mounts. So if you have that at home, I like to center that. So, food for thought. Okay, so here's our back plate. This is going to be going against the wall. All right, so that's what we got to hang. We got spacers, bolts, anchors. Don't ever use anchors, by the way. These will fail on you and the TV will fall out. Don't use those. Always use your lag bolts. These go into the back of the TV. And with this kit, it looks like it comes with a stud finder, which is nice if you don't have one at home. And it has a leveler on it. Thank you, Members Mark, for doing that, because a lot of people don't have that stuff. So we got a stud finder there. These are nice, but I'm going to use the one that I have, the Professional series. Okay, so I use this stud finder. This one's awesome. It looks for electrical, and it centers the stud, which is nice, so that way you know exactly where to put your lag bolt. Okay, so it's telling me there's a stud right here. All right. So saying there might be a stud here and here. So in theory, that would be 16 inches apart, okay? So to test that, we're gonna use a little drill bit. So we'll just take a little drill bit, just so you know you hit the stud. Just in case your stud finder's off and it's finding something else in the wall, you just never know. So obviously I can't go in anymore. If a stud wasn't there, that drill bit would have went all the way in the wall. So we got a stud here. Okay, so most of you guys don't have a laser level. It's not really necessary for this. I'm just trying to show off. but you can also use a 2-foot level or a 4-foot level. And, you know, just set it on top of your template so you can use both if you wanted to. Being that I have my laser, it just makes it easier. Okay, so we have our template. So if we know that the TV is right here, the TV could slide. Okay, so keep in mind that your TV is going to hang out probably 8 inches on each side. So if this isn't perfectly centered to your outlet, don't worry about it. The TV does slide. So we'll mount this up. This will still be hidden, so you won't see any exposed hardware. And then you just slide it to where you want it centered to the wall, okay? Okay, so now we got our lag bolts. You want to add your washer to it. Now this has a Phillips head, so this will help start it with the drill gun. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my ratchet set here to tighten down those bolts. Okay, everything's nice and tight. Now we just gotta put our brackets on the back of the TV and hang this puppy. Okay, so I got these mounted. The strings go to the bottom, so that way when you want to lift it off later, you can. This locks it into place, okay? So we're gonna set the top rack first. It's got a little lip there. Okay, we're gonna set this first and then drop that into place. So it might behoove you to plug it in first. It just makes it a little easier. And then you can tuck your wires up underneath. And like I said, you can adjust this back and forth. If this information was helpful, please subscribe, leave your comments below. Other than that, guys, stay confident. You guys can do this, trust me. I know they're annoying, but you'll be a pro before you know it. All right, so take care. I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Later.